Hi, this is Dr. A. Sadiqul Amin, Assistant Professor of English, New College. Welcome to Learning English YouTube channel. The topic of this video is types of group discussion. Group discussion can be divided into two categories. Number one, topic based. Number two, case studies. In this video, I am going to discuss only one category, that is topic-based group discussion. Let me go to the presentation. A topic is topic-based group discussion. In this type, topics are given to the participants in a group in a form of a question or an idea. By end of the discussion, participants are required to either evolve a consensus on the given issue or find out a solution to the problem that is identified by the group. Topic-based GD is further subcategorized into three types. Number one, current or factual topics. Number two, argumentative topics. Number three, abstract topics. Let me discuss in detail one by one. Number one, current or factual topics. Topics of these types are based on recent issues which are factual about practical things which an ordinary person is aware of in his day-to-day life. These topics are impersonal in nature. You should have thorough knowledge, thorough understanding of the topic before you participate in the GD. A factual or a current topic for discussion gives a candidate a chance to prove that he is aware of a general knowledge and he is also sensitive about his environment. Topic can range from a social, economic, political, environmental, legal, and international front. During the discussion, moderator looks for four important skills. Let me give you the list one by one. Number one, knowledge. Number two, creative abilities. Number three, general awareness. And the last one is reasoning abilities. Sample topics for this type of group discussion. Sample number one, the new education policy. Number two, globalization and privatization. Now, let me go to the second, argumentative topics. This type of topic is controversial in nature. Candidates need to take a stand either for or against the topic. While discussing these kinds of topics, you may be embarrassed or uncomfortable. During the discussion, noise level is usually high because of the controversial topics. The idea behind giving the topic like this is to check how much maturity the candidate is displaying by keeping his temper or nose in check, by emotionally, logically arguing his point of view without getting personal or emotional. These topics are given to create a difference of opinion. I repeat, these topics are given to create a difference of opinion to check how open the candidate is to the new idea. Number three, abstract topics. These are mostly ambiguous in nature. While discussing this topic, you have to think laterally and ultimately link the abstract ideas with a known fact. These topics are open and their scope depends on imaginative thinking of candidates. These discussions are rather superficial and the prospection changes with greater pace than other two topics. Skills tested for this type of GD is Number 1, creative thinking. Number 2, imagination. Number 3, a common sense. So sample topics for this type of GD. Number 1, water or oxygen. 2, ethics or profits. I hope you understood all the 3 types of topic-based group discussion. If you have any questions, you can ask through comment section.